Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I suppose we're supposed to say something like this, right? Just bear with me. This is my first time I'm coming on YouTube and I'm pretty nervous. And so what I'm going to be doing today, I'm basically going to be working on my motorcycle, which is just right behind me. I own a BMW S1000RR and I needed a fresh set of tires for my motorcycle. It's pretty done with all the juice on the old tires. So I have gone for Pirelli Supercorsas and I'm going to install that. So basically this video is all about how I'm going to do it, and I want you also to see it. So in case you are working on your motorcycle and plan to change tires, so it's pretty much as similar to this. So right here, this is my motorcycle, and if you see the tires, these are gone. And let me show you the front one also. And I have a bent rim in the front, which is hardly noticeable, but it's better to change it. I'll show it to you. See this. You can see this. It's bent. I got a new rim from BMW. I claimed it, so I got the claim on it. So I'm going to change this also. And these are my tires. These are Supercorsas. This is 255ZR17, and these are the front 120/17ZR17. So let's first start with the rear tire. We're going to open up the rear tire, and then we're going to go to the front tire also. So we take this T34. This is a 34 number socket, and we're going to open this nut here. So there's a washer along with it, but I need to keep it safe. So now basically we need to push the tire a bit forward to take out the chain. So here, see, I've taken out the chain and I just need to put it down, and this is so simple. Let me remove the sprocket. This is the sprocket which I just removed. We're going to first remove those fork protectors which are there, and then we're going to do the other things. So now we're going to remove these two bolts from. That's it. You can see we are doing the same thing on this side also. Remove these both nuts from the brake calipers. There you go. And when we remove this brake calipers, you need to be very careful of your rims touching the calipers, you know. So you got to take it out, just twist it a bit, and just there you go. So now we have the calipers out. So as you can see, I have removed these brake calipers, but now I'm going to keep it safe. So I'm going to put a masking tape around it, and I'm just going to come over my levers and just stick it there. So it's hanging safe there. Same thing I'm going to do on the other side also. Just take a masking tape, wrap it around your calipers. We're going to work on cleaning the calipers also, but first we'll just do the rims. There you go. So now both the calipers are safe and they are away from the rims, so I'm not going to touch them. There are two pinch bolts on your left side of the motorcycle, and there are also two pinch bolts on the right side of the motorcycle. Do not remove these pinch bolts. So you're just going to remove these pinch bolts, and then we're going to remove this. I use one of these to remove the front. Now I'm going to remove this tires from the bike. So this rod needs to come out, but there's a way of doing it. So you're going to put your leg inside here, hold the tires, and there you go. So I just pull the rod, this one, and slowly I just drop the rims down without, be careful of the ABS, and there you go, it's out. So you can see that I have got the old rims installed with those new Supercorsas, and they look bloody good. They look sick actually. So let's go and install this bad boy onto my rear. Okay, so this is the rear axle, and what I'm going to do is I just cleaned it up, and now I'm going to put some white lithium grease on it. I think that's more than enough. That's it. Banga. Okay, now we're going to put this washer first and the bolt. So last you had seen me take out the front rims, and what I did was I got the new rims fitted with the new Pirellis, and now what I need to do is I need to fix both these rotors, the front rotors. So I'm going to use a Loctite 243 on it, and I'll be using a bit of Loctite on all the nuts, and then I'll use a torque wrench and tighten all the bolts. So this is a torque wrench, and I'm going to tighten these rotors with I guess 20 Newton meters of torque on all the bolts. So I'll show you how I do this. That's it. That's it. You hear a click sound, that means it's done. See, you can hear this. I need to hold the wheels. So as you can see, we are done with the installation of both the rims with the new set of tires, and I couldn't shoot the installation of the front rims. I'm so sorry about that. Actually, my battery died on me, so I could not. But this is the final look. Thank you for watching till here. I hope you liked my video, and if you think I'm doing good or I can be better, just give me a thumbs up, like, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.